Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, we will feature ang ating Rochester house and lot here in the Perch at Highland Park, Antipolo. But before we continue with this video, I would like to invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so that you will be notified every time na ako ay may bagong video dito sa Perch and Sand Valley Estates. Okay, this is a very special video because requested ng ating client. Okay, so let's start the house tour. Upon entering this property, meron tayo ditong lush garden. Ayan, so this is a corner lot, guys. Ayan, nasa Perch Avenue siya. And Roadrunner, ayan yung street. Roadrunner and Perch Avenue. This is a corner lot area. Again, 525 square meter and lot area of 252 square meters. So, ito yung pinaka-frontage niya. And this is yung pinaka-side view nyo. Ayan. So, ang ganda guys. Okay, so may garden ka na dito. Okay? So, puntahan natin ang inyong carport. So kung makikita ninyo, we have here yung ating carport. We have 2 to 4 carport. Ayan. So malaki ang space niya. Very spacious. No? Actually kung mapapansin nyo, we have an open fence concept. Ayan. No perimeter wall. So, I think kung kayo po ang makakabili nito, ayan, pwede naman tayong mag-request. So, this is your garden and this is your 2 to 4 carport. So, partially covered siya. This is your ceilings. So, yung ceiling nyo, meron na siyang lights and fixtures. Okay, so and this is your service area. So again, no, ito pala yung ating harapan. Okay, so you have mountain view. Okay, so this is your service area. Okay, so meron tayong pocket garden here. And over here is the bathroom, toilet and bath. Ayan, open natin. Ayan, so kung mapapansin nyo, no, ang tiles niya floor to ceiling. Meron kang awning window here. We have a shower and the toilet. You have the sink. The bathroom tiles. Okay, nice. And ito yung toilet and bath ng service area nyo. And this is the maid's room. So, tignan natin. Okay, sarado. Pero, kasya dyan ng single bed. And this is yung kanyang window. Kita ba? Ay, hindi kita. Okay, so this is the service back door na mamaya mabubuksan natin. And over here, siguro dito nyo ilalagay yung inyong laundry, yung washing machine. Ayan, so malaki pa ang setback nito, no? Okay, look guys. Ayan, so meron ka ng mga trees and plants here. Okay, so puntahan natin dun sa harapan. But before tayo makapasok sa loob, okay, let's check the facade first. Okay, so before we get into the entire video of this house, I'd like you to focus on the facade of this house. So look at the design, yung mga glass niya. Okay, so we have this terasa na aakyatin natin mamaya. Kung makikita nyo yung railings, those are made of metal. So this will be your entry porch. So look at this one, guys. Ayan. Okay, so very spacious ang inyong entry porch. So look at this one, guys. Katapat mo lang yung basketball court and the swimming pool area. So ito yung magiging main door mo. This will be your porch. Okay, so this is your main door. Okay, so guys, this will be your main entry door. Ayan, meron ka ng lights and fixtures dito sa inyong main entrance. Okay, so let's start the house tour. Okay, so let's go. So welcome to your new home. Ayan. Okay, so this is your living room. Wow, very spacious. Maglalagay ka na lang ng mga furnitures. Ayan, let's see here. This is the design of your living room. You have big windows. No, may mga fixed window and sliding window. Wow. So dito, very impressive, very bright. Ayan, maaliwalas ang view mo. Maaliwalas. Tapos ang view mo dito yung mountain. Ayan. Okay, so we have big windows, natural lights. Pumapasok talaga dito sa bahay mo. Nice. You have high ceiling, big windows. Okay, so look at the floorings. Nice, hindi siya madulas. Okay, so let's go together sa inyong kitchen. So this is your dining room. Okay, bago tayo pumunta sa kitchen, this is your dining room. Look at the ceiling, guys. Meron na siyang lights and fixture. Okay, so you have big windows and big sliding glass door. Okay, so this is your lanai area. Ayan. Ito yung pinuntahan natin kanina. And this is your view here. And pwede mo rin buksan dito sa side. So, ma-press ko talaga siya. Wow. Ayan. Ang kapitbahay mo. Okay, so this is your dining area. Ayan. Mga 4 to 6 dining table lang pwede dito. Okay, and this is your kitchen. Okay, so this is your kitchen. You have here yung inyong countertop, no? Island countertop. Okay, so dito ka magpe-prepare ng food. And here is your cookware top. And this is your... You have here the kitchen cabinet. And tignan natin, open natin. Okay, you have a lot of storage over here. And dito nyo ilalagay ang inyong ref. And you have sink. Okay, malakas yung water. Wow. Okay, you have the faucet. You have the base cabinets. And of course, yung mga drawers natin. Soft close cabinet siya. Okay, so ito naman, this will be your powder room. Okay, this will be your powder room. So yung tiles niya nasa baba lang. No, kasi wala namang maliligo dito. You have sink. Okay, porcelain sink. You have a toilet and you have the awning window. Ayan. Okay. And over here is your first bedroom. Yan, this will be your first bedroom. But before tayo pumasok dyan, take a look. Andito yung inyong electricity panel. Okay. So this is your first bedroom. Again, high ceiling. Pwede ka maglagay ng design sa wall. Okay. And you have a big sliding window, glass window. Nice. And this is your cabinet, built-in cabinet. Okay, a lot of storage. And over here is your toilet and bath. Okay, from floor to ceiling ang ating bathroom tiles. You have the lights and fixture. You have a porcelain sink, faucet. You have a toilet and you have a enclosure shower. You have a shower. Ayan. And iba rin yung tiles na ginamit dito. And of course, you have an awning window. Nice. Okay, so puntahan natin. This is the back door. Ayan. So, very easy access sa inyong carport and sa service area. Everyone, kung nagustuhan niyo po ang ating YouTube channel content, I would like to invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so that you will be notified every time na ako ay may bagong video. And if you have friends, relatives na naghahanap or looking a brand new property here in the Perch and Sand Valley Estates, make sure na i-share niyo sa kanila itong ating video. Okay, so again, please like and subscribe. Mag-comment na rin kayo, guys. Okay? So, puntahan naman natin ang iyong second floor. Again, we have a back garden here. And this is your staircase. Ayan, if you notice, meron tayong space pa over here. Pwede natin gawing another storage area or playroom, di ba? Playroom ng mga bata. Okay, so I like you to focus on the riser. Ayan, hindi siya masakit sa paa, hindi mahirap akyatin. Ang ganda ng steps natin na ginamit dito. So this is a solid wood and this will last. Okay, so U-shaped staircase siya. Nice yung ating design. Okay, so yung handles niya and yung railings na ginamit dito is very modern ang kanyang design. And of course, ayan, akyat tayo. You have a provision ng inyong chandelier dun sa Ayan, sa ceiling natin. And, take a look, no, yung ating mga windows. Ayan, so talagang natural lights pumapasok dito sa bahay na to. So talagang ang maganda sa house nito guys, maaliwalas, sobrang maaliwalas because of the big windows, no? So elegant. Ayan, ang ganda guys. Okay, so yan ang inyong stairs. Okay, so in the same way, this property is selling in the market for 35 million. 5 years to pay yon. Okay, so kung installment. And if cash payment, 28 million. So guys, kung interesado kayo on this property to check out and buy this property, contact us today on the numbers visible on the screen. So this will be your hallway. Baba lang ako ng konti. Okay, so yan ang hallway nyo dito. We have 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. Okay, so ito pwede nyo kayo maglagay ng couch, pero this is only a display, hindi po kasama yan sa ating promo. Okay, yung promo po natin for this June only. Okay, siguro dito maglagay ka ng cabinet, diba? Okay, so puntahan natin yung first bedroom dito sa second floor. Okay, so this is the first bedroom. You have high ceiling. You have big windows. Ito. This is your view here. Ganda ng kapitbahay mo din. And you have an awning window, fixed and awning window. And laminated ang inyong wood flooring. Okay, and this is your cabinet. From floor to ceiling ang kanyang design. Okay, so open natin. You have a lot of storage over here. And this is your bathroom. Okay, so toilet and bath. Okay, so high ceiling siya guys with lights and fixture. Yung kanyang flooring na ginamit dito ay from floor to ceiling. And you have here ang inyong porcelain sink. Ayan, meron kang faucet. And you have the toilet. And again, enclosure, shower, and the awning window. So, iba rin yung ginamit na tiles dito. Ang ganda ng design. Ayan. Okay, so, very nice. At ang ganda rin ng inyong view dito. Okay, so let's go to your second room. Okay, so this is your second room. Okay, so parehas din siya, no? Laminated ang kanyang wood flooring. You have a high ceiling, lights and fixture, single bed to queen bed pwede dito. And you have a cabinet, built-in cabinet. And this is your toilet and bath. Okay, so meron siyang toilet, meron siyang sink, porcelain sink, and you have the enclosure shower, then the awning window. Okay, nice. Ang ganda. Okay, so this time, ayan, shout out sa ating mga client na nanonood ngayon. Okay, so puntahan naman natin ang inyong master's bedroom. So guys, this is your master's bedroom. Yeah, mas malaki siya. Pwedeng king size dito. So, yan yung pinaka-ceiling mo. You have the lights and fixture, awning window, and you have a fixed window, sliding window. Puro window. Puro window nga dito, no? Okay, so, di ba maganda yon? Maglalagay ka na lang siguro ng blinds dito, no? Kasi ang ganda ng, ng view mo eh. So, you have laminated wood flooring, and puntahan natin ang inyong walk-in closet. Yan. Okay, so, mas marami kang storage dito sa inyong walk-in closet. Okay, soft close cabinet din po to. From floor to ceiling ang design niya, guys. Okay? And this is your bathroom. Ayan, mas malaking bathroom ng master's bedroom. Okay, so you have a floating, tatawag dito? You have here the you have here the floating sink. Okay. Yeah, you have the faucet. You have a toilet. Ang ganda nung design din na ginamit dito sa master's bedroom, yung mga bathroom tiles from floor to ceiling din siya. Hindi madulas, no? Hindi madulas yung tiles natin, yung floor tiles natin. You have here the shower. Okay, so lalagyan mo na lang to ng bidet. At ang laki rin ng awning window here. Okay, so let's take a look at your terasa or inyong balcony. Ayan. Okay, so ito yung pinaka terrace mo here. Wow! Ayan, nice view, guys. Ayan, oh. Ang tahimik, very peaceful. Yan, kung gusto mo yung ganitong property na very